everyone, welcome to Simply Amazing Life by Kaushiki. Today I'll show you how we celebrated Janmashtami festival and how we did the Mandir setup and how we did all the floral decorations that you see here. So let's get started. So to make the Mandir setup, I used a lot of faux peacock feather and a round cardboard which we covered in a golden paper, and I cut these peacock feathers to a size which will give me an angle to stick them in form of as if a peacock is dancing. Apart from puja that day, we also had a small program of all the kids dancing, and we followed that with a lovely dinner where we cooked aloo sabzi, puri, kheer, home cooked mithais. So the enjoyment was to the fullest, and with everything that was already there at home, and even during these lockdown times, we were able to create happiness among our friends and family. So yes, it was all the blessing of Lord Krishna that helped us to do this. Over here you'll see me struggling to hold this round shaped cardboard onto the stool, and this was somehow not ready to stick. I almost used 2 glue sticks to stick this. I was literally struggling. It took me almost 15-20 minutes to stick this thing, and without help it was getting a little more difficult, frankly. And then I was holding it from one hand and then putting lots and lots. I'm trying to fill all the gaps in between with the glue itself. And it just somehow felt good later that okay, now all the gaps are sealed. It was holding in place, and now we can move on for the rest of the decorations. So I used tape to stick all the flowers in place all around the sides of this golden halo that we kind of created, and we used a lot of tape, and we stuck these flowers, and it was looking very pretty and very serene, I should say, so very divine looking. And these are again all faux flowers. I have used real flowers only for the puja purpose. For decoration, everything that we were using here was all faux. I ordered these flowers from Amazon, and even the peacock feathers were from Amazon, and I'll try and link all these things that I've used in the description box. Now using the same faux flowers, I have added small bells at the end of it, and I am sticking it with the tape onto the stool. Now this covers the front part, and it also gives a very regal kind of a look to the setup. If I see this entire thing together, it came out so pretty. I was so happy with it. So as you can see, my Laddo Gopal has been set up here, And I ordered even Laddo Gopal from Amazon. I'm such an Amazon holic now. So yeah, this is how the setup looks like. And you can see lots and lots of marigold flowers all around, creating a kind of a backdrop. I have used these topiaries on the sides, and they kind of match with the decor theme and fill in kind of the empty spots. And there are a couple of puja things. I'm still to fill the plates and everything in here and bring in the Laddo Gopal. But this is just before pictures, before clips. I just wanted to show you everything. These are the topiaries that again I got it from Amazon. These flowers are from Amazon, and I got it just after Diwali, so I had a very good discount last year. So this is how the final setup looks like. These mirrors that you see are from a local shop here. I'll try and find these mirrors as well, these mirror hangings. The vase that you see here is again a flea market find here in Gurgaon, very famous Banjara markets, and I just spray painted it to give it a beautiful look. Those pink flowers that you see there, these bells, and again are all Amazon finds. I hope you like this video, guys, and if you do, then do like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I hope Lord Krishna gives blessing to all and everyone who is watching and enjoying this video. Thank you so much. Thank you.